In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to use Claude on Cursor to code with the help of artificial intelligence and speed up your development workflow. First, open Cursor on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it for free from the official Cursor website. After opening Cursor, sign in to your account. Next, go to Cursor Settings and look for the AI Models section. Cursor allows you to connect different AI models, including Claude. Select Claude as the default model or add your API key if required. After setup, open your project folder inside Cursor. Now, you can use the built-in chat inside Cursor to send prompts to Claude. For example, you can ask Claude to create functions, fix code errors, or generate full project structures. You can also highlight a section of code and ask Claude to explain or improve that part. Claude helps you write code faster, suggest improvements, and automate repetitive tasks. This makes development much easier, especially for larger or more complex projects. And that's it. Now you know how to use Claude on Cursor quickly and efficiently. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.